I am Dr. Ashok Kumar, Professor Dean Agriculture. Today's my lecture is role of rootstock in temperate food production. Rootstock or sign, they have the two concept in the horticulture. Rootstock means that is to seedling stock. The plants they have to develop through the seeds. That plant is called the rootstock. After the grafting, the upper part of the sign is called the upper part of the plant is called the sign. Sign is the use for on the foreign sign to have to develop the production of the crops. So may have to come, all one have to see the next one to the slide, the introduction of this one, the introduction of the rootstock, that is to physiology of the rootstock is sign relationship, role of rootstock in the temperate foods, review of the work done into the temperate food production, and the conclusion. So they are the all concept and to run into the PPT. So come here to, so here to see. So rootstock. Rootstock means to the lower portion of the root system, that is to seedling stock. Seedling stock or clonal stock, that is to traits. This is the dwarfing characteristics of the precocity or improvement of the fruits, quality, biotic and abiotic test tolerance. So of the different type of rootstock have to use. They have to tolerant to the salinity and alkalinity. They have to tolerant to the frost, tolerant to the stress condition, have to tolerant for that to the high temperature, low temperature, insect pest disease and viruses. So next come to the slide. This is the plant, you know, have to the plant they have to develop through the seed. This is called the whole plant or complete plant. After the grafting, the upper part, this is called the sign, and lower part is called the rootstock. Rootstock, that is to use the wild species for they have to tolerant for the viruses and to incisor of the sign into the rootstock, and they have to bind through the tip for the purposes of the combination of the cadmium and phloem and xylem to have to develop the new plants. So this is the rootstock, this is the sign. After they have to grafting the new plants. So that is the different characteristics of the rootstock. That is to first characteristics to precocious rootstock is precocious rootstock they have to use. They have to the extra production technology. Dwarfing characteristics of the rootstock they have gone to mostly in the current science. The mostly horticulturists to need the dwarf plant to have to high production capacity. High yielding capacity is the characteristics of the rootstock and sign. High quality characteristics, they have to resistant from the disease, insect and resistant. They have to graft compatible. Compatibility, that is to compatible of the root and sign both to each other. They have to formation of the new plant after the grafting. Widely adaptable, they have to have tolerant for the bite condition, and freestanding, they have to no incompatibility to shown after the few years after. This is to the interstock. Interstock, if any plants have to create the problem for compatibility and the sign and rootstock, to use the mid interstock to in between the sign and root stock, that is to compatible for the sign and rootstock by the mediator, that's called the interstock. Interstock, the function is to they have to compatible for the sign and rootstock, have to the no further disease to have to come after the development of the new plant. So here to rootstock sign interaction, that is to effect of rootstock on sign. It means they have to, if they can't to compatible, they have to effect come from either to the sign or either into the rootstock, or they have to the influence of the sign cultivars on the rootstock or influence the interstock. If need, they have to failure the grafting union in between the rootstock and sign. So effect of the stalk on the sign cultivar, they are the some effect come after they have to the failure the compatibility in between the sign and rootstock, that is to size and growth habit. If the compatible, they have to normally to grow of the plants. If the incompatible of the sign on rootstock, they have to create the some failure in between the grafting union. They have to precocity of the flowering and fruiting. If have to the compatible of the rootstock to sign, they have to proper flowering and high yielding. If the failure the compatibility of the rootstock is sign, that is to create the some bad effect on the sign, like that the yellowing of the leaf or like that to die up of the plants. Fruit set and yield, they are also have to the main concept of the rootstock and sign compatibility. If have to the compatible the rootstock on sign or sign on the rootstock to have to the high fruit yielding, they have to tolerant for different insect patient diseases and high production or fruit setting. Fruit size and quality, they are also influenced by the compatibility or also have to the effect of the rootstock on sign or sign on the rootstock. So and disease resistant, some rootstock, suppose that you have used to the Cydonia oblonga in the pear to have to use the wild rootstock for the tolerant for the different viral disease of the pears, so have to the use Cydonia oblonga. Because of the rootstock, if have to compatible the rootstock, they have to properly to grow, otherwise they have to the failure the union. Form of the root system, if the compatibility is to compatible of the cambium to each other of the sign and rootstock to proper root formation, otherwise to the dry up of the roots. Cold hardiness of the rootstock, this is the very important characteristics of the rootstock. Suppose some varieties of the apple, they have to grow into low 70 degrees centigrade. So some wild rootstock to have to tolerant for the low temperature to use in the your apples. This is the, you see here to the different anatomy of the stem. This is the outer part is called this is the outer bark, phloem, cambium, xylem and hardwood. So at the time of grafting, every horticulturist to see that is to combination of the equal size of equal width of the root and sign at the time of grafting to have to compatible and union to the xylem and cambium to each other and formation of the new plant. After that time of the grafting, the lining of the vascular cambium of the rootstock and sign, they have firstly to bond up the response. Firstly start through the cell division. Any mitotic division is to used for the healing up of the cells in between the sign and rootstock cut parts and formation of a callus in between the rootstock and sign. After then bound and repair xylem and phloem, differentiation of the vascular cambium across the callus bridges. So the production is secondary xylem and phloem from the new vascular cambium in the callus bridge. So here to see the diagram, this is the sign and rootstock. In between the part is to formation of the new cell. That cell is called the parenchymatic cells or formation of the callus. Callus is the mass of parenchymatic cells to healing up of the sign and rootstock in between at the time of healing up of the sign and rootstock. So that is to transfer section through the 2 days old cutting graft. So layer in the necrotic tissues or they have to be callus formation from the cambial region in the 4 days old cutting grafting. So this is to clearly to shown the new cell to develop after the binding up of the sign and rootstock to each other by the tape and to have to bags to use for the check the evaporation on that areas to the rootstock sign can't to die up due to the baxing. So this is to combination of a rootstock and sign in the between. Here to also see here, if the failure is done to have to develop the differentiate from the cambium bridge, they have to failure the rootstock and sign at the time of cambium formation. So that is to cambium bridge to formation, that to some characteristic they have to develop through the lignin, they have to enter into the xylem cells to have to formation that type of axis growth during the period of the healing up of the rootstock enzyme. So this is to vascular cambium, and within to callus here to say 21 days old cutting graft and slightly to, that is to curved cambium bridges arrows and 30 days old cutting graft, so that as shaped cambium bridges to in a 36-day cutting grafting. The bridges have to come after the develop at the time of create the incompatibility in the rootstock enzyme. So the how do rootstock bring about their effect upon the sign? They have to the some effect occurs at the time of the combination of rootstock enzyme is to a different anatomical structure to vary due to have to create the fidelity of the compatibility. So that is to amount and ratio of the promoting and inhibiting the endogenous hormones. So endogenous hormones also have to play the important role for combination or fidelity of the sign and rootstock. So that is to suppose that the combination of xylem and gibberellic acid. The gibberellic acid is the function in between to have to the cell elongation. Cytokinin is the function of the cell division. The combination of the auxin and cytokinin to have to first step of the cell division in the plant tissue systems. The movement of the assimilates in sugar, amino acids and mineral elements between the sign and rootstock. They have to proper combination or proper assimilates into the rootstock sign, that is to create the successful of the compatibility of the rootstock enzyme. So amount of water taken up and moved through the rootstock or interstock or through the sign. If have to properly to link to each other and develop the new plants. So here to see in here, they have to what is the graft incompatibility. Graft incompatibility have to the failure of the sign and rootstock grafting to formation of the some axis structure. So the interruption in the cambial and vascular continuity to lead to the smooth bread at the point of the graft union, causing the graft failure. Graft failure to have to depend on the characteristics of the rootstock sign is to the berry to each other. Here to external system of graft incompatibility, failure to the form of successful graft or bud union, yellowing of foliage. Yellowing of foliage, if you have to can't to properly to link the properly to graft each other, they have to some effect come from the sign to the rootstock and rootstock to the sign. If you have successful, they have to know yellow foliage. If you have to failure, that is to create the yellowing of the foliage. In the severe condition, the plant going to the die up. Secondly, decline. Decline means have to the, if you failure, the combination of rootstock sign, plants go to the die up or decline. Premature death. Premature death means have to the failure and depend on the failure of the rootstock sign. At the time of development of the plant to have to go to the dry up of the whole plants. Overgrowth at the time of combination of the rootstock enzyme, that to create the overgrowth, that is to causes of the failuration of the rootstock enzyme. Suckering also developed at the time of, if you failure the rootstock enzyme, so few cases have to the suckers or butter suckers, they have to develop the lower side of the rootstock to have to the causes also the failure of the sign and grafting. Here the some types of the incompatibility or compatibility, that is to localized incompatibility, translocated incompatibility, pathogen induced incompatibility. Localized compatibility, combination in which the incompatibility reactions apparently depend upon the actual contact between the stalk enzyme. Example, in case of the pear, Bartlett grafted on the quince rootstock, that is to develop the localized incompatibility. Apple grafted on the pear, also that developed the incompatibility, and have to the incisor of the old home in between as a interstock, that is to success of the union, that to reduce the incompatibility and success of the plant. In the case of the translocated incompatibility, graft combination in which insertion of the mutual compatible interstock does not overcome incompatibility. In that example is to come into the Hell's early peach on the Myrobalan B plum rootstock, or non-perennial almond on the Marana 26-24 plum rootstock, or peach cultivar on the Marana 26-24 rootstock. That is to occurs, that is the translocated incompatibility. Translocated incompatibility means they have to few years after they have to create the some problem in between the combination of the rootstock enzyme. In same combination is to try it at the cotyledonary stage, that is to create the nutritional deficiency in between the translocated incompatibility. Pathogen induced incompatibility, that is to due to the various disease. If you have to create the precaution at the time of grafting, so some viruses and bacteria that have to enter at the time of incision of the sign into the rootstock, create the pathogen induced incompatibility, that is to pear decline in the severe condition, apple union necrosis or decline, and bridge graft or enarching done with the mutual compatible rootstock before the tree dies, or bracts of the union. This is the presence of the viruses at the time of incision of the sign into the rootstock. So that is role of rootstock in the variant temperate foods. So rootstock play an important role. In the case of apple, you know very apple, Malus pomela, Malus domestica is the botanical name of the apple. So some wild species they are used for the rootstock, that is Malus baccata, Malus domestica, Malus domeri, Malus heliana, Malus hupensis, Malus sargenti, Malus savoldii, Malus salisbury, Malus signensis, Malus sylvestris, Malus transtoria, and Malus torringoides, and Malus unanensis. So all wild species they have to use for the rootstock, and grafted the sign they have to the good yielding quality, they have to good resistant for insect pesticide disease, and they have to tolerant for frost and stress condition. So some Malling-Merton series have to the develop the different rootstock. Some dwarfing rootstock M series, Malling-Merton series, 9, M27 and 20, they are the Merton series. Malling-Merton East long lasting they have to the institute in the Kent areas have to in England to develop the different rootstock. So M27 is the dwarfest rootstock of the apple. Semi-dwarfing rootstock like M2, M7, M26. M means Malling-Merton rootstock. Malling-Merton rootstock MM104, MM106, MM111. Here M is Merton series, here MM is Malling-Merton series. Other is the Northern Spy, Robusta number 5, Bemali, York 9, MACI, MAC9, Mark or MAC39, B9, B490, B491, P1, P2, P18, P22, J9, O3, O8, C6, Novoli, G30, G65, KC1, 48, 41 stands, and Alnarp 2, K14. They are some important rootstock used in the apple orcharding or apple orchards for the purposes for production of the high quality of the fruits, juiciest, color, and disease free. So here to say the effect of the rootstock, some are the mark B9 is the dwarfing rootstock compared to the small, M9 is the large, M26, M7, B118 seedlings, though all one have to the size of the seedling to on the percentage to see here. So the some rootstock that suppose that to fire blight resistant G11, G16, G202, G222 or G969 rootstock they have to resistant for the fire blight disease. They are the serious disease of the apple. replant tolerant, that is to G30, G41, G210, G214, G819, G935. They are the replanting tolerant to use for the interstock also. Bully apple aphid resistant rootstock, they are G41, G210, G214, G819, that 90, that is to rootstock used for the in apple. Here are the adaptability of the abiotic stress rootstock. M13, M16 rootstock, they have to abiotic stress, highly tolerant for waterlogged condition. On that area they have to waterlogged condition, they have to use the rootstock M13 and M16. Tolerance drought condition के लिए M7, M9, M17. High soil temperature condition के लिए, that is to use the M7, M16, M25, MM109. M26 more tolerant to the low winter temperature condition. Ottawa 3, Ottawa 4, MM106 and C52 tolerance at the 35 degree centigrade of the temperature. Any high temperature they have to use the following rootstock. So M9 rootstock showed higher uptake of the calcium and magnesium. M1 and M16 having to higher amount of calcium in the leaves of the fruiting clones, and trees of the Empire apple showed the higher concentration of the manganese in the leaves on the M27 rootstock. They are the some characteristics that after the come through use the different rootstock on this one. So their Geneva apple rootstock also have to the tree size to have to decrease. Geneva 65 use, that is to M27 rootstock they have to use. Geneva 30, that is M26 M7 size, or Geneva 16 they have to use M9 size, or Geneva 11 that is the M9 size, or their Geneva 202 that M26 size, or Geneva 41 they have to use to M9 size. So that is to Geneva 935, that is to M26 size of the rootstock trees to have to develop. So here are the some recent developed of the some apple rootstock. The P2, they are higher calcium uptake rootstock, that is to references of the used by the Ben, and that is to Malgazeta 205. M16 subdwarfing, good fruiting yielding and size of the rootstock. P22 dwarf and strong than to M9. P16 good yielding efficiency rootstock. G41 that is dwarfing and winter hardy, resistant to the fire blight and to the crown rot diseases. Or G935 that is to more precocious, resistant to the fire blight and crown rot, and G202 that is to resistant to the bully aphids, or G16 that is to early precocious and good yielding efficiency rootstock they have to use. B series में B1, B2, B3, B4, B7 rootstock. B4 gave highest yield fruit weight, and B3 highest yield efficiency rootstock they have to currently developed by the different institutions. So here are the some important rootstock of the pear rootstock, that is to Cydonia oblonga, Pyrus communis and Pyrus persea, they have to some important rootstock. Vigorous, semi-vigorous, semi-dwarf, dwarf, green series they have to, in the case of pear, both have to pear and apple and to belong to the Rosaceae family. So that is to nutrient uptake rootstock. N के लिए Pyrus amygdaliformis and Pyrus illigerifolia, that is to use for the nutrient uptake. Phosphorus के लिए Prunus, Pyrus amygdaliformis and Pyrus illigerifolia and Pyrus persea they have to use. Potassium के लिए Pyrus persea and Sorvus species. Calcium के लिए Old Home. OH into F clones, P butylifolia. Magnesium के Cydonia oblonga they have to use, and the Sorvus also the use. Magnesium के Sorvus species of Pyrus feri, that is to use in the magnesium uptake. Iron के लिए Pyrus amygdaliformis, Pyrus illigerifolia and Pyrus persea they have to use for the iron uptake. Boron के लिए Pyrus illigerifolia, Pyrus persea, Pyrus usuriensis and Pyrus butylifolia they have to use for the boron uptake. Zinc के लिए Pyrus butylifolia, Pyrus langerifolia and Pyrus communis they have to different rootstock of the pear they have to use. So here to the some important rootstock of the peach. So rootstock species are Prunus cerasifera, that is to very important rootstock of the peach. Pears, that is to Purus davadiana, Purus dolicis, Purus fragransis, Purus institutia, and that is the Prunus cansuensis, Prunus mira, Prunus persica, Prunus pomela, Prunus celestiana, Prunus spinosa, all have to the very important rootstock of the peach. So other hybrid, that is to Prunus angustifolia, Prunus basie and Prunus cerasifolia, Prunus davadiana, Prunus dolicis, Prunus persica, Prunus celestiana, Prunus spinosa, Prunus tomentosa, they have to the important rootstock they have to use. Rootstock cultivar peach almond hybrid के लिए GF 556 and GF 677 rootstock they have to use. Vigorous rootstock they have to use T16, that is to use T16, D Valley and to Oradia 1 rootstock they have to use. Medium vigorous के लिए that is Manson है, Rancho rootstock they have to use for the medium vigorous type of the fruit plants. Dwarfing नेचर के लिए साइवेरियन है, साइवेरियन से रोवेरिया है, हरो ब्लड है. अदर्स में साइवेरियन से एंड मैरियाना GF 8/1, GF 557, Rutgers, Red Leaf and Sarvati, Saint Julien hybrid number 1, 2 and Myron GF 557, Nemagard, S37 Nemagard and Okinawa and Florida Guard, they have to the very important rootstock used for the peach. So the commercial peach rootstock planted in the southeastern United States and they are tolerant to the nematodes, short life and oak root rot. They are the two important melodies in the peach to have to, that is to first is to nematodes have to lose the peach orchards or oak root rot. So some important rootstock they have to use in the your peach cultivation, that is to Lowell is the result is to fair result is to check the tolerance, nematode tolerance. Peach tree short life tolerant, fair good and root not nematode resistant, susceptible for the Lowell rootstock and oak root rot resistant, that is to susceptible. So the fair character comes from the ring nematodes and fair in the peach tree short life tolerance. Hartford में fair is the ring nematodes and to peach tree short life tolerant to have to fair and good, or other two have to the susceptible. Nemagard very poor for the first ring nematode tolerance and second peach tree short life tolerant and resistant to root knot nematode resistant and susceptible for the oak root resistant. That is to Guardian, fair good for the ring nematode, very good excellent for the peach tree short life tolerance and resistant to the root knot nematode and susceptible for the oak root. So rootstock play an important role for in the temperate food production. For use the different type of the rootstock, they have to different characteristics. So here are to the plum, you see the plum. Romanian rootstock they have to use Kalamrasar, Kavli, green gaze to use for the plum rootstock to production of the high quality of the fruits in the plum. So rootstock of the apricot, you see the apricot Kumani, that is Prunus amygdalus, Prunus basie, Prunus severica, that is to use for the rootstock for the apricot. Prunus manchuriaca, Prunus tomentosa, Prunus mumi, Prunus diploid hybrids of the Prunus cerasifera and Prunus spinosa, that is to use for the rootstock of the apricot. Rootstock, that is seedling stock of the plum, peach and apricot. Other Amelia, Agata, Alina, Mariana G58/1, Mariana 26/24, Rainy, Cloudy GF 1380, that is Polizo, Hoggett, Hybrid P2038, Saint Julien P6703, rootstock used for the best production of the pure plum apricot. So they are the some cherry rootstock to use for. They are the crosses of the Mahle cross the Mazard used in the cherry, Morello, that is to Stockton Morello, and Oregon clonal rootstock. They are very important rootstock for use in the cherry orcharding. So the cherry, they are the Mazard, the Prunus abium, clonal rootstock F12 by 1 selected for the East Marling, Long Ashton, England 1920. They are the characteristics of the vigorous rootstock, that is to requiring the many years of the common into the full wearing, 6-12 years of the low precocity, or the Mahle, the Prunus Mahle, that is to vigorous rootstock, better adaptable, calcareous and dot soil condition have to the tolerant. So some Stockton Morello that originated in the Illinois to tolerant for the heavy clay soil, semi-vigorous, poor anchorage and adaptable, selected for the release to in the France, dwarfic and precocious, less adaptable to the light and alkaline soils, and to have to bear root, that is selected near the Munich and Germany, that is to incompatible with the some cultivars or not well to adaptable to the heavy clay soils. So they are the walnut, almond and chestnut. They are to some important rootstock. So walnut, that is Juglans henderson, Juglans major, Juglans regia, Juglans macrocarpa, Juglans rupestris and Juglans saboldiana and Juglans gelentifolia, Juglans mandishurica, Juglans califorminica and Juglans nigra, hybrid of the Juglans nigra and Juglans henderson, that is to Pterocarya stenoptera, that is to important rootstock of the walnut. Chestnut के लिए for the chestnut, that is to Castanea carinata or Castanea mollissima or Castanea sativa, Castanea dentata, the Castanea, that is to Pomela Castanea alnifolia and Castanea azarcensis or Castanea Henry, that or Castanea sugeni, that is used for the rootstock for the chestnut. In the case of walnut, royal and paradox rootstock they have to use for the best production of the walnut. In the case of the almond, GF 677, Allineum 1, Allineum 38, Allineum 201 and Hansen 536 and 2168 or GF 557 rootstock that to use for the high quality of the almond. In the case of chestnut, that is seedling rootstock, that is Genios or Sibaguri, or they have to Mayagawa number 20 that is used for the production of the chestnut. So they have two different type of rootstock here, to dwarfing rootstock, high temperature, high moisture tolerant, high powdery mildew, that is dwarfing nature rootstock in the case of apple. In the case of hardy nature, high temperature. So that is two different rootstock here to see. Comparative study to discuss in the last slide, all of one, apple, pear, peach, plum, apricot and cherry. So different rootstock play an important role in the temperate food production for the check the diseases and viruses. So the status of India in the rootstock, Central Institute of Temperate Horticulture, Srinagar, they have to develop the different rootstock. ICR have to, the some institution have to develop in the different region at the basis of the climate. Some are the central arid zone in the Rajasthan, Bikaner, and CITH in the Srinagar. Central Institute of Tropical Horticulture in the Lucknow. So have developed a lot of work in the field of the research of the rootstock. So clonal rootstock have to maintain the apple MM106, MM11, 9, Imla 106, M26, M27, Meles baccata, Meles sargenti, Meles secnensis, Meles floribunda, Meles macrocarpa, Meles Esiltine, that is Meles prunifolia, Meles robusta and Meles saviloldi, they have to use for the different rootstock they have developed for the Central Institute of Temperate Horticulture, Srinagar. In the case of cherry, Mazard and Mahle or cold, very important rootstock they have to use. So future thrust, the up to development of the colonial rootstock is essential for the find to best production in the your temperate food production. Second, up to the development of the site specific rootstock in the field of orchards of the rootstock on the temperate food production. Development of the complex hybrids, potential of the wild species of the rootstock, development of the virus-free material, development and evaluation of the interstock, or development in the techniques for the molecular biology. They are the future thrust to need for the development of that type of rootstock. So here to conclude, I have to the several components to the future commercial food growing into the suitable for the better sign compatibility is essential for the successful or union of the sign and rootstock. And canopy architecture, very good canopy architecture to need for the your orchard to find the best production of the your crop, and to fruit quality, best quality of fruit have to the high level of nutrition to need for through the develop through the different use the different rootstock, or nutrient absorption, water use efficiency, biotech and biotech stress tolerant, and adaptation under the influence of the climatic changes. So on the basis of high temperature, low temperature, to develop on the basis of diversity of the climate of the India. So very thanks for all.